Let's try to simulate the Arduino programming and perform traffic light simulation for one signal. Let's take required devices from the menu. Take an Arduino. Let's drag and drop it. Let's take one resistor and will require 3 LEDs. Require 3 resistors. Let's change the colors. Red, green, and orange. Connect it like this. Red. So let's connect red first. Connect it on ground and second terminal to pin number 13. For green, first terminal to register to ground and second terminal to pin number 12. And orange, let's connect when its first terminal to ground second terminal to pin number 11. Okay. That is how this circuit is completed. Now we can go ahead with the code. So either we may go ahead with the block type, or we may go ahead with the block and test. And third one, we may go ahead with the text. So we'll go ahead with the text only. So here the default code will come. We have to write our own code in the pattern in which we expect the output. Here in this case, we'll require the white setup and the white loop, which will run in the loop. Okay. So we have changed the code like this. We have selected int, that is the integer data type, red 13, integer green connected on 12, and integer orange connected on 11. Here in this case, the resistance values we have to select as 230 ohm for first resistor, 230 ohm for second resistor, and 230 ohm for third resistor. Okay. Code we could see these 3 pins we have assigned 13, 10 and 11. In pin mode, we have selected red as an output, green as an output and orange as an output. And logic is like that: the red, when the red is high, the other two signals, that is green and orange, should be low. We have provided the delay of 5000 milliseconds. Then the green is high, so other two, that is red and orange, is low. And when orange is high, the red and green is low. So when your green signal will be on, we are turning on it for 3000 milliseconds, and orange, we are turning it for 1000 milliseconds. So let's start the simulation and see whether our simulation is working properly or not. We could see that red light is on. Now the green light is on, and then the orange light is on. So as the delay is very small, so we can change it to stop the simulation, change it to 10,000, change it to 6,000, and change it to at least 3,000. Okay, and start the simulation again. So here we could see the red light now is for 10 milliseconds, the green is for 6, and the orange is for 3. Okay, so this we need to change. Whatever you have written, so don't get confused with it. Wait for how many milliseconds we have. So this is how the traffic line can be simulated for one signal by using an Arduino.